In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on your PC using Expressvpn. Whether you're aiming to access content or just exploring the internet more securely, these steps will help you effortlessly switch your location with this VPN service. Let's dive right in. First, open your Expressvpn application on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, ensure you have Expressvpn downloaded and installed from their official website. This is crucial because it's the starting point of your journey into changing your location on your device. Once you're in the app, before you do anything else, make sure you're disconnected from your current server. To do that, just look for the big power button on the interface and give it a click. If it shows you're already connected to a server, you should see the button highlighted or the name of a server location displayed. Disconnecting ensures that you're ready to select a new location without any hitches. Now comes the fun part. It's time to choose a server location of your preference. Expressvpn offers a wide array of server locations across different countries, allowing you to mask your actual location. Simply navigate to the server location list within the app. Here, you can type in a country, city, or region to find a server location you wish to connect to. This option is particularly useful if you're looking to access region-specific content or want to enhance your online security by appearing as if you're browsing from a different location. Once you've selected a desired server location, connecting is straightforward. With your selected location visible on the app's interface, locate that large power button again and click on it to connect. Within moments, Expressvpn will establish a secure connection. You'll know you're connected when the button changes color, and it displays a connected status. This connection means your internet activity is now routed through the server you've selected, instantly changing your online location and enhancing your privacy. To wrap up, remember to periodically check your VPN connection status, especially if you're in the habit of leaving it on for extended periods. Connection drops can happen, and it's always good practice to ensure that you're still protected. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to change your location on your PC using Expressvpn. This tool offers a robust way to navigate the internet securely and access content freely. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!